Hi everyone, this is Gary Q from the Retrofit Shop. Welcome to another Retrofit vlog. Today we are upgrading the headlights of this Toyota Fortuner G variant. Let's do it! So this is a G variant Fortuner. So yung main projector is halogen. Ito yon, comes with a 9012 type na halogen bulb. Ano yan, by beam yan. So yung low beam at high beam nandito sa isang projector. Ito yung park lights and signal lights. So yung mga gagawin dito, the halogen projector will be upgraded to a bi-xenon projector. We will be installing our HELA TRS here, 5,500 Kelvin. There's a link below and you will see the before and after. The HELA setup for this headlight will produce 3 times more effective light output compared to this stock. So aside from the projector retrofit that will dramatically improve the lighting performance of this headlight, we will be installing a DRL on this side. So it's going to be a tri-bar DRL with sequential turn signal. Exclusive yan na we develop in-house. So aside from the tri-bar, we will be installing a set of angel eyes here and also LED eyeline on top. So this is going to be a complete lighting upgrade for this headlight in terms of form and function. So first steps to remove the plastic cover. And then yung side screws. Okay, ready na to remove the bumpers. Make sure na tanggal lahat ng clips. Pag tanggal na lahat ng clips and screws, madaling hugutin yung bumper. Then, tatanggalin yung connection for the pucks. So ito yung stock fogs niyan sa likod. H16 yung bulbs. So 19 watts yan. So yan yung itsura ng headlight after matanggal yung bumper. So you can see naka plug and play na LED bulb din ito. We also have the 9012 bulbs for this. Merong konting improvement pero hindi dramatic. So we really don't recommend the plug and play 9012 for this type of headlight. Ito yung park light to, sorry. So ito yung likod ng headlight. Pag binuksan siya. So ayan yung park light. And ayan, makikita mo dito naka-install yung bulb for the projector. Itong kinabit dyan. We don't really recommend plug and play LED bulb for this halogen projector. Okay, secured na yung bumper. Lahat ng bolts and nuts nasa tray para limit yung chance na may mawalang screw or bolt. We are now ready for the upgrade. I'll catch you later. Okay, we're done with one side of the headlight. Ito yung function, DRL muna. So, dynamic start siya. So, ito yung tri-bar na DRL and then meron din LED eyeline. So, turn signal. So, sequential yung turn signal for the tri-bar. So, ito naman yung sa driver side, tapos na rin siya. Okay, that's the DRL. So, yung LED bar, crystal tight yung the way we develop it. Tri-bar profile para kitang-kita sa umaga. And there's also a LED eyeline dun. So, pag turn signal siya, sequential naman yung tri-bar. Okay, final assembly, both headlights. Functionally, na-test na. So we are now done with the retrofit. So ito yung DRL, and then you have the angel eyes, and meron din eyeline. Naka-on yung low beams niya ngayon. Whitish yellow output nito, 5,500 Kelvin. That's the Hella TRS. So ito yung kabilang side. So that concludes our retrofit for this Fortuner G. Of course, you don't have to get all the options na kinabit namin for the headlights. If you are looking just for better output, you can avail of the projector retrofit lang dun sa headlight and maybe also for the fog lights. We offer that both in HID or LED projector version. So depending what you prefer, we can install either HID or LED projectors. For the aesthetic naman, it's also possible to have two angel eyes on the headlights. You can see it in this picture. Or just the eyeline. Or if you want, just the projector retrofit and the tri-bar DRL and sequential turn signal. That's also possible. So you can mix and match the options available for this headlight. There's a link below, and if you click that, it will show you the many Fortuners that we have done since 2009. We can do Fortuners from 2006 up to the present model. you have a V variant na Fortuner, unfortunately, hindi na-upgrade yung projectors dun sa headlight. Naka-stock na LED projectors na yan. And sad to say, many owners really find it lacking in terms of lighting performance. But right now, we cannot upgrade it. The best upgrade for you is to get our GT fog projectors. Yan ang best na upgrade for V variant owners. It will give you maximum foreground intensity, especially if you're traveling out of town. Alright, thanks for joining me in this video. If you find the video helpful, please click like. You can comment and share this to your friends. And please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell. This is Gary Q from the Retrofit Shop. I'll see you in the next.